5 seconds to go. Start. Article 38. Stop. State to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Hyphen. The state shall, comma, in particular, comma, strive to minimize the inequalities in income, comma, and endeavor to eliminate inequalities in status, comma, facilities and opportunities, comma, not only amongst individuals but also amongst groups of people residing in different areas or engaged in different vocations. Stop. Para. Article 47 of the Constitution contains a call to the state to improve public health. Para. Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health. Hyphen. The state shall regard the raising of the level of nutrition and the standard of living of its people and the improvement of public health as among its primary duties and, comma, in particular, comma, the state shall endeavor to bring about the prohibition of the consumption except for medical purposes of intoxicating drinks and of drugs which are injurious to health. Stop. Para. In Devika Biswas versus Union of India, comma, the petitioners challenged the mass sterilization program that was implemented by the government in highly unsanitary conditions. Stop. This court recognized the need to respect and protect different facets of reproductive health as delineated in international human rights law. Stop. It noted that government policies affecting reproductive freedoms must be aimed at remedying the systematic discrimination prevailing in society and ensuring substantive equality. Stop. In Paschim Banga Khet Mazdoor Samiti versus State of West Bengal, comma, this court observed that Article 21 imposes an obligation on the state to safeguard the right to health and the right to life of every person. Stop. It was held that this constitutional obligation exhorts the state to provide adequate medical services to the people and to ensure timely medical treatment to everyone. Stop. The above conspectus of cases reveals that the state has a positive obligation under Article 21 to protect the right to health, comma, and particularly reproductive health of individuals. Stop. In terms of reproductive rights and autonomy, comma, the state has to undertake active steps to help increase access to health care, including reproductive health care such as abortion. Stop. Para. The state must ensure that information regarding reproduction and safe sexual practices is disseminated to all parts of the population. Stop. Further, comma, it must see to it that all segments of society are able to access contraceptives to avoid unintended pregnancies and plan their families. Stop. Medical facilities and RMPs must be present in each district and must be affordable to all. Stop. The government must ensure that RMPs treat all patients equally and sensitively. Stop. Treatment must not be denied on the basis of one's caste or due to other social or economic factors. Stop. It is only when these recommendations become a reality that we can say that the right to bodily autonomy and the right to dignity are capable of being realized. Stop. Para. We clarify that nothing in this judgment must be construed as diluting the provisions of the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Prohibition of Sex Selection Act 1994. Stop.